Today we have a 2003 Dodge Caravan with a blower motor problem. Let's see what's wrong with this van and get it fixed. Let's get started. First, as usual, let's confirm the issue. Okay, I have a key in my hand. Let's turn the key to the on position. And right now our blower motor has an off position. Let's turn to the first speed, nothing. Second speed, nothing. Third speed, nothing. And we have a maximum speed. It's working. I can feel it. Yeah, it's blowing. As you can see, it's working. Yeah. Alright, let's turn it off. Well, it's already promising. Based on experience, most likely that's a resistor failure. Before starting tearing anything apart, let's take a look at the wiring diagram for the Dodge Caravan. And as you can see here, we have a battery, we have a blower motor relay, and a fuse, 10 amp fuse, down to the blower motor over here. This is a ground switch type of circuit, and over here we have a blower motor resistor. When we turn the dial to the maximum speed position over here, like that, we bridged contact number 5 and ground over here, and blower motor resistor grounds at G200 ground point, and then power flows from fuse number 10 all the way down through the blower motor resistor. As you can see, that's different types of resistors, and it goes straight to the blower motor, grounds at the pin 5, and go down to the chassis ground. We have most likely problem with a blower motor resistor. It depends through how many resistors power flows. Yeah. All right, let's go to the blower motor resistor, and we know this part of the circuit is good, and pull this guy out and yeah, see what's up. This model doesn't have automatic climate control, just a standard manual. There's a power button to power the controls, and yeah, nothing's fancy, very simple design. As a rule of thumb, I like to start with the components I can get access easy as possible. Yeah, let's start with our blower motor resistor. That's my first suspect. On Dodge Caravan, blower motor is located under the glove box compartment, and blower motor resistor is nearby. Let's open the glove box, push the sides in, pull it all the way down. Here's our blower motor, and here's our blower motor resistor. Yeah, let's unplug the connectors. Nice and clean, no rusties crusties, everything looks just fine. There you go. Unplug both connectors. All right, we have two connectors unplugged from the blower fan resistor, and resistor lives inside the box. And over here I have a good known, used, road tested variety resistor. Let's plug it in this guy. As I mentioned earlier, when you have your blower motor working at the high speed, most likely you have a problem with the resistor. They're known to go bad. I just place the blower resistor outside like that, and see what we have. Here's the key. Let's turn the key to the on position. There we go. We have a full blast. That's okay. Let's turn the speed down. You could hear the sound change. It's off. First speed. Second. Third. And fourth. Full blast. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. It's easy diagnosis. You can probe for power, grounds, check the current flow, but this is an easy and fast way to identify the broken component. And if you look here, there's a different thickness coils, and for the current to flow, it has to pass through the number of different resistors to reduce the rotating speed on electric motor. That's how they regulate the speed, and it works pretty good. And because it will start getting hot when current is flowing with a high resistance, that's why this lower motor resistor lives inside the box and will get cooled down. Yeah, let's remove original one, pop new one in, and yeah, we should be all good. Let's unplug our known good, tested, trusted blower resistor. There we go. The two 8mm screws holding the resistor. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, critiques, suggestions, recommendations, please let me know down in the comments section below under the video. Will be interesting. Alright, two screws are out. Let's pull the resistor and see what's happened to this guy. Oh yeah, and as you can see here, quite a bit of rust build up for the contact points. Yeah, you can see, well, some high humid moist air got in, corroded the entire contact board. Yeah, that's why they fail over time. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistors. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to place this one, and yeah, it should be the fix. Let's take a look inside. What's happening inside the box before doing it. Yeah, as you can see, there's a heater core, AC lines. Yeah, everything looks just fine, and we don't have any issues with the motor. The same way as we removed the original one. Let's put this. Yeah, let's turn the key to the on position and see one more time. Make sure everything's working. Yep. And the max. Beautiful. Yeah, everything's working. Nice. And now we can keep our windshield defrosted without running our high-speed fan. Yeah, easy, simple, and reliable. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Appreciated that. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Yeah, I have quite a few videos already in a Dodge playlist. Check them out. Take care, see you soon, and yeah, bye now. It's getting cold.